How to fix iPhone 13 camera is blurry issue. So if you want to fix your iPhone 13 camera blur issues, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. After opening your settings, you need to just scroll down and then go with the camera section. Under camera, you may have an option of auto macro. So if you have the auto macro option, then you just need to simply scroll down and then go and turn it off or disable that option. Or the next thing you can do is you can turn off lens correction. So if you find lens correction, then you can also disable that, which will be on the bottom of your screen. After that, the other thing you need to do is go back to your settings. Under settings, you can just go with apps, and under apps you will have your photos. Just simply tap on the photos, and under photos you can go with View Full HDR. If you have View Full HDR option, you just need simply go and disable this also. Even if this doesn't work, then the last solution is to use a third-party camera app from an app store. So these were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.